automatic coffee machine. Espresso machine with ceramic flat burrs. 9 grind size options. 7 HD large touchscreen. 4 water tank for office use. Pitch black large water tank. Compact size, but with sufficient capacity. There is no need to add water frequently, meeting the needs of small businesses. Ceramic flat burrs. 500 kilograms consistent ground output, low in grinding noise and uniform grind size, which can effectively avoid the secondary baking of coffee and protect the mellow taste of coffee. 6 grams capacity proprietary brewing system. The brewing system can better achieve stable extraction and ensure the mellow taste of coffee. Custom exclusive drinks. In addition to the system default menu, you can also choose the exclusive drinks according to your taste preferences. High temperature frothing. It ensures that the milk frothing temperature is between 60 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, making every mouthful full of dense and silky taste.